Dog. A kind of animal that people often keep as a pet. I have a dog named Max.
Animal. Any living creature that can move on its own and can reproduce. The lion is a powerful animal.
Bear. A large mammal. I saw a bear in the forest.
Bird. A creature with feathers and beak, typically able to fly. I saw a beautiful bird in the park. Cat. A small animal with soft fur, people keep as a pet. I have a cat named Whiskers. Cow. A large female farm animal kept for milk or meat. The farmer has cows.
Elephant. A very large animal from Africa and Asia with a long nose, called a trunk. The child was excited to see the elephant at the zoo.
Fish. A cold-blooded animal that lives in water, breathes with gills, and usually has fins and scales. There are many different types of fish in the ocean. Fox. A kind of wild animal with a sharp nose and tail, known for its cleverness. The fox ran quickly into woods to hide.
Horse. A large animal that people ride on or use for carrying heavy things. John is taking care of his horse in the stable.
Lion. A large wild cat that is the symbol of bravery and king of the jungle. The male lion has a huge mane of hair around his face. Monkey. A type of animals that often lives in trees, known for its ability to swing from branch to branch. I saw a group of monkeys in the forest.
Mouse. A small rodent that is often a type of pest in homes. The cat chased the mouse around the house.
Pig. A pink or brown farm animal with short legs and a curled tail. Pigs love to roll in the mud to cool off.
Pony. A small breed of horse. Julia always wanted a pony when she was a kid.
Rabbit. A small animal with long ears and big teeth that moves by jumping. The children are chasing a wild rabbit in the backyard. Snake. A long reptile that has no legs. The python is a type of snake found in Africa and Asia. Tiger. A large, fierce cat with orange-brown fur and black stripes. The tiger is the largest member of the cat family.
Wolf. A wild carnivorous mammal which is the dog family, often hunts in packs. We heard a wolf howling in the distance.
Zebra. A large wheeled animal that looks like a horse and has black and white stripes. In the safari park we saw elephants, giraffes, and zebras.